Well, there are a variety of clinical trials going on right now in Phoenix, and they need patients with some specific medical issues. Here with more is Dr. Joseph Gimbel with Arizona Research Center. Always good to see you, doctor.
Thank you.
All right, right now, let's talk about stem cells and some of the stem cell trials that you're currently doing.
Well, stem cells have really been notorious in all the information and all over the websites and all over magazines, but there is a problem with stem cells basically. The FDA has come out and warned about stem cells and about treatment with them. And what they've said is, according to them, all stem cell products have not been proven to have benefit or to be safe. These potentially harmful treatments can have severe side effects, including changing into different cell types and potentially causing tumors. Now, that's pretty severe. So if you're going to have stem cell treatment and your doctor is going to offer you this, you want to make sure that the treatment has been approved by the FDA. All these trials, if there are trials and their treatments, the FDA will approve these. If they're not proven, don't get a stem cell treatment.
But you are still currently doing some of these trials,
We
correct?
are doing a trial that is FDA approved and has been done previously, and patients have done well and it's been safe.
Right.
And we're using this trial, it's for shoulder tendon rotator cuff problems. So we've seen the patients have improvement in pain and improvement in function with the stem cells. Now, interestingly, we're using the patient's own stem cells. We're not using stem cells from other sources. And this is potentially safer as well.
And you've got a lot of surgical trials going on right now. How are those going?
They're always very popular because we do bunion surgeries and tummy tucks at no cost for the patient, and we're going to start a hernia trial for adolescents under 17, and that will also be free too.
Now, what about the hip arthritis trials that you're doing?
This is a new trial where we're injecting a long-acting cortisone product that's safe and has the fact that it's long-acting, it doesn't have the diabetes or the elevated sugar side effects. And patients are getting longer relief of pain because it's a time relief product. And this is injecting into the hip under fluoro evaluation to make sure you're in the hip joint when it's injected.
And then you're also doing osteoarthritis of the knee.
Right. We're actually doing another trial that's not injecting stem cells, but it's taking the stem cell in your knee, which is already there, it's resident in your knee, and converting it into a chondrocyte, which is a cell that makes cartilage. And that helps heal the knee, help reducing pain, and help improving knee function by keeping the degradation of cartilage from occurring.
And let's talk about some of the benefits to the people that come in and participate to these trials.
Well, number one, everybody that participates does get a compensation by the pharmaceutical company, but they really get a lot of individual medical care and attention, which patients really like, because we spend a lot of time with each patient going over their medical problem. Usually, like in most of these studies, if they need an MRI, the MRI is free, it's paid for, and their care and their stay at our facility, if they need to stay, is also done for no cost to the patient.
Wow, and I'm sure you get a lot of referrals too from people.
Well, we always can use more, and this is really a lot of fun for me. I find it very exciting to be involved in this area of medicine because we really bring a lot of cutting-edge treatments to the public, and it's very well appreciated.
Well, Dr. Gimbel, thank you for all you do and for the information today.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
And if you'd like more details, you can visit azresearchcenter.com or call the number on your screen.